Hi guys, so because of the quarantine, one of my friends has to get married via Facebook Live, and that kind of sparked a thought in me that I could go ahead and get ready for the wedding and create a video about it. So, of course, I need to do my hair, I need to do my nails, I needed some bomb jewelry, and I went with this love stuff for a wedding. I got some eyelashes, all that good stuff. And pretty much, I wanted you all to come along on the ride as I get ready for a Facebook wedding. So, yeah, that's pretty much what you'll be seeing in this video. And as you can see, we are pretty hair store chic. This came from Dollar General, $2, hair store $2.99, hair store $1.99, Dollar General $6, hair store $4.99. So we're doing all of this on a budget. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye. So what you're gonna see me do here is start with my hair. It's already been washed, it's already been moisturized, everything like that. So what I'm trying to do right now is slick it up in a ponytail. I am using Wetline Extreme Gel and Edge Booster to get the sleek look. I also go in with a Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner spray mist, and that also helps me to sleek my hair as well. So I want to get a sleek look. I have 4C hair, so it's never going to look extremely sleek unless I blow dry, but I did let my hair air dry. So I'm just getting it as slick and sleek as I possibly can without putting any heat in the hair. So if you notice, I did have a little bit of trouble getting the first ponytail as slick and sleek as I wanted. So I had to try again and again and again. If at first you don't succeed, brush yourself off and try again. So I'm gonna finally get the hair into the ponytail that I desire, the one that I can work with, and then I'm going to go ahead and start pulling out what is left of my edges to create baby hairs. And no, they won't even be baby hairs because they are my edges, and I have struggle edges, I know that. So I'm just doing what I can with what I have. Use what you have to get what you need. I think they taught that lesson on Players Club. So here you see me, I am going in with my styling strips to lay down my hair. I will go in with the ponytail part first. I will go and put the styling strip on the edges last. So that is what you see me doing here. And let me just say, these styling strips work miracles. They are touched by Jesus. Because you saw that my hair was not slick or sleek. It didn't look anything like I wanted it to look. But with the use of these styling strips, a little bit of Edge Booster and Wetline Extreme Gel, you are going to see something at the end of this video. My hair is not going to look like you expect it to look, I promise. And clearly when I use my styling strips, I don't care how many I use. I am not rationing them at all. I put probably about 20 on at a time because I need my hair to lay down, because 4C hair is a struggle. Okay, so now that I've prepped my hair for the desired style, I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails. I have a couple of videos already on my channel. I will link them down below of me doing my press-on nails. I love to use Kiss, but I love LA Color nail adhesive glue. So these things right here, they will hold that artificial nail on your finger so long until you're gonna be like, honey, Where are the pliers? Get these things off. That's what happened the last time I used the LA color with the Kiss nail. Like, that glue is, I think it's super glue in there. I think it's super glue, y'all. So there really isn't much for me to explain about the nails. What's going on here? You put the adhesive on, you attach the nail. You put the adhesive on, and then you attach the nail. So on and so forth until you have a new full set. So I love Kiss. These artificial nails have gotten a lot of people through this quarantine. They look really nice. And if you use LA color glue, they are not going anywhere, girl. These are not the nails that are just gonna pop off. Mine did not pop off for like a week and a half. So if you can get that combination, I am sure you'll be pleased. One thing I will say, the jewels don't typically fall off, but this new set, I just did them today and my jewel fell off. So I'm just gonna say that this was a flawed nail. I love Kiss. I'm sticking by Kiss because they have amazing sets with these artificial nails. So they have the jewel line, they have the color line, they have the glitter line, they have the fantasy line. Check them out. And here you're gonna see my finished full set. So moving right along, I have some Kiss eyelashes that I'm gonna apply. I purchased them for $2, and these are the Nuance lashes. And now I'm gonna go in and apply my ponytail. Y'all, look at what those styling strips, the Edge Booster and the Wet Line Extreme Gel did. They slicked my hair down. And let me just say, my hair is not as slick as I can get it. Y'all, I can insert a picture of what those styling strips and Edge Booster do, but I'm on quarantine with my parents. I don't know how many times I had to say it, so I don't have all the supplies that I need. I only had a little bit of Edge Booster. I didn't buy any yesterday when I went and purchased this ponytail, which is Marley hair. So I should have got some more so I could have a more seamless look, but it works out. 4C hair, Marley hair, it still blends like this is a natural hairstyle. So I am well pleased with the results. I can always go to the store and re-slick my hair for the desired look. And if y'all are coming for my hair, just remember, this is quarantine. We're not supposed to be out and about. I am going to a wedding on Facebook Live. So they're not even really going to see me, but I wanted to get ready for the wedding anyway, okay? Okay, look at those lashes though. Yes, lash, yes. So I'm just going in with my final touches. Hair done, nails done, lashes done. Everything is really did. I'm wedding ready.